The visa office was quieter than usual, a single, fluorescent light humming, over a stack of applications that smelled faintly of printer toner and late nights. Indifferent to the lives queued in the paperwork, somewhere inside government servers, a rule had flipped. Processing clocks sped up, deadlines tightened. A backlog that was already swelling began to groan. 4 tens of thousands the difference between hope and heartbreak would now be, measured in signatures, certified IDs, and one small, merciless window of time. Welcome to December 2025, where Australia rewrites the rules, and one missing document can change the course of a life. The real changes, December 2025, concise, sourced, practical. 1. VETASYS, much faster but stricter skills assessments. Effective the 1st of December, 2025. What happened? VETASYS, Australia's largest skills assessment body, introduced a new processing standard. Standard outcomes targeted around 7 weeks, with reviews tilde 7 weeks and appeals tilde 12 weeks. At the same time, they tightened document rules. Applicants now typically have 28 days to provide additional documents, down from 60. And identity checks require stronger ID proofing, e.g., 3 IDs including at least 1 government photo ID. Why it matters. Faster decisions reduce waiting time, but the shorter documentary window and stricter ID requirements raise the risk of refusal or invalidation if you can't produce certified documents quickly. Practical tip. Pre-gather 3 forms of ID, passport, national ID, driver's license. Get key documents certified before you lodge, and scan high-quality certified copies, so you can respond inside the 28-day window. 2. Student visa integrity pressure and appeals backlog, ongoing. Spotlight in December 2025. What happened? The Administrative Review Tribunal, ART, has an exploding backlog of student visa appeals, figures, reported near 46,000 plus student visa cases in late 2025, putting appeal timelines under strain and slowing. Overturns of negative decisions. Media reports and tribunals indicated many appeals are aging 12 to 24 months. Why it matters. If a student visa is refused, an appeal may no longer be a quick fix. Long waits can derail studies and post-study work rights. Practical tip. Ensure student applications are airtight. Meet genuine temporary entrant, GTA, criteria, lodge complete documents, and maintain proof of enrollment of financial capacity. If refused, seek specialist migration advice. Immediately, delays in lodging appeals or providing evidence can be costly. 3. Skilled or employer-sponsored. Salary thresholds and program changes. Context through 2025. Important for December planning. What's relevant? Australia moved to raise minimum salary. Skills in demand, SID, and employer-sponsored programs earlier in 2025, effective from mid-2025 for many measures. Ongoing migration amendment reforms and technical regulations in 2025 continued to reshape who qualifies and employer obligations. These changes remain operational context for December 2025. Visa lodgements and nominations. Why it matters. Employers and sponsored applicants must now meet higher pay floors and tighter nominee checks. Low salary offers that once passed may now fail. Practical tip. Employers should review current salary offers vs new floors. Skilled nominees should verify the correct salary band and gather employment contracts, market evidence, and payslips. 4. Department of Home Affairs. Ongoing processing policy and priority updates. What's relevant? The department continues to publish monthly median processing times and to prioritize older, complex applications as it works through backlogs. Processing times for permanent and partner visas have been variable through 2025 as the department clears older caseloads. Check the official processing times page for category median times before lodging. Why it matters. Lodgement timing and completeness materially affect where you sit in the queue. Applications that are incomplete or trigger integrity checks slow the whole system. Practical tip. Use the department's processing time tool. Lodge digitally where possible. And avoid informal resubmissions. Provide full, correct info on first submission. 5. State of territory migration and priority lists. Dynamic updates in December. What's relevant? States and territories frequently. Update their nomination lists and occupation priorities. State migration programs. December 2025. Round updates were being published by various states to address skill shortages or to reprioritize occupations. Migration agents and applicants must check the specific state's pages before applying for nomination. Practical tip: if you rely on state nomination, confirm the state's current list the day you apply. Some states also open small nomination windows. Have your skills assessment and English results ready. Additional December 2025 developments to watch. Short bullets. Integrity and English tightening. Policy debate and party statements suggest tougher English and values requirements are being considered or signaled for students and citizenship pathways. Expect proposals or consultations to appear in news or policy briefs. Processing resource pressures. With large appeal backlogs and increased lodgements, expect continued variability in decision times for student, partner and some skilled pathways. Action checklist for applicants. Precise. Ready to use. 1. Document bundle. Certified passport copy. Driver's license. National ID. Evidence of relationship or employment or enrollment. Certified academic docs. English test results. VEDAS's 28-day rule makes this urgent. 2. Check official sources. Department of Home Affairs processing times and news page before lodging. Bookmark your visa subclass page. 3. Skills assessments. Lodge early with VEDASys where needed. Review the updated IDEA document list before submission. 4. For students, ensure genuine student evidence, GTA. Sufficient funds, enrolled course integrity. Get migration advice if anything is borderline. Backlogs make mistaken lodgements expensive. 5. Employers. Confirm pay offers meet the new salary floors and update. Labour market evidence for nominations. Sources are used. Key references. VEDASys December procedural changes. Processing time reductions. 28-day evidence window. Stricter ID. News reporting on the ART. Student visa appeals backlog and related tribunal pressures. Late November, December 2025. Department of Home Affairs. Visa processing times and general immigration pages. Articles summarizing skilled visa salary floor rises and Migration Amendment Reform context. State Migration Program, December 2025 Bulletin Roundup.